Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start the reading of Science Class 1. Unit number 2, Functions of our body parts. Some parts of our body: nail, lips, chin, thumb, toes. Teeth. Teeth are also our body part. Strong teeth are a good sign of our good health. They help us to bite and chew food. Teeth also help us to speak. Our teeth are important. Arms and hands. We use our arms and hands for lifting, holding, writing, pulling and pushing, etc. Lifting, holding, writing, pulling. Legs. Our body parts help us in our work. We use our legs for walking, running and cycling, etc. Walking, running, cycling. We have 5 senses. Sight. We see with our eyes. Hearing. We hear with our ears. Smell. We smell with our nose. Taste. We taste with our tongue. Touch. We feel with touch. Disabled persons. A person who cannot hear is called deaf. A person who cannot speak is called dumb. A deaf person by birth is always dumb. A person who cannot see is called blind. Milk, water, yogurt, fruit, vegetables and meat are all good foods. They keep us healthy. Chips, cookies, candy bars and soda, Pepsi, Cola and Coca-Cola, etc. are not good foods. They make our bones and teeth weak. Exercise. Fill in the circle of the correct option. Hina saw an aeroplane. She used her eyes. What sense of our body tells us that iron is hot? Touch. We can keep our teeth healthy by drinking milk. Answer the following questions. How many senses do we have? Name them. We have 5 senses. They are seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting and touching. Which part of the body do we use for walking? We use legs for walking. How many things can we see in our classroom? Table, chair, desk, bag, books, door, roof, etc. Why does a deaf person by birth cannot speak? A deaf person has not heard any word to learn it. Match the following. So here the body parts are and here are their function. You have to match the correct one. For example, nose, smelling, legs, walking. Words meaning: walking, chalna, bite, काटना, speak, बोलना, blind, अंधा, नाबीना, see, देखना.